Welcome, fellow explorers, to a journey across the planet's most extraordinary sand dune landscapes. Today, we invite you to witness the breathtaking beauty and raw power of nature's most mesmerizing creations, where endless waves of sand stretch as far as the eye can see, and every dune tells a story shaped by the elements. Here, wind and time are the master sculptors, tirelessly carving and reshaping the desert into astonishing works of art. Each ripple and crest is a testament to the ever-changing dance between earth and sky, a process that has unfolded over countless centuries. These ever-shifting seas of sand are dynamic theaters where color, scale, and silence collide. The dunes glow with golden hues at dawn and dusk, creating a landscape that feels both timeless and otherworldly, inviting us to pause and reflect. From the world's tallest dunes to surreal oases hidden among the sands, let's explore 20 of the most incredible sand dune destinations on Earth, each with its own unique story, mystery, and breathtaking vistas. Pack your sense of wonder, embrace the spirit of adventure, and let us begin this unforgettable journey together. Deep within the ancient Namib Desert, one of the world's oldest and driest landscapes, lies the breathtaking expanse of Sossusvlei. Here, immense red-orange dunes, some of the tallest on Earth, rise dramatically from a bone-dry, sun-bleached clay pan sculpted by relentless winds over millennia. Each sunrise sets the desert ablaze, igniting the sands in fiery hues of gold and crimson, transforming the landscape into a living amphitheater of color and light. Nestled within this sea of shifting sand is Deadvlei, a surreal white clay pan where ancient, long-dead camel-thorn trees stand frozen in time, their silhouettes stark against the glowing dunes. Their blackened skeletal limbs stretch skyward, silent witnesses to a wetter era, creating haunting shapes that evoke both beauty and mystery. The dramatic interplay of vivid color, shifting light, and profound stillness makes Sossusvlei a desert landscape unlike any other on Earth. To stand here is to feel both awe and humility, a reminder of nature's artistry and the timeless beauty of the Namib Desert. In the far southeast of Morocco, the golden dunes of Erg Chebi rise abruptly from the surrounding plains, creating a breathtaking natural spectacle that seems to appear out of nowhere. These towering dunes, some reaching up to 150 meters, herald the gateway to the vast and mysterious Sahara Desert. Travelers from around the world are drawn here, eager to experience camel treks across the rippling sands, where every step reveals new patterns shaped by the wind. As the sun sets, evenings are spent in Berber camps, sharing stories and savoring traditional cuisine beneath a dome of stars that stretches endlessly overhead. When night falls, the desert comes alive with the hypnotic rhythms of Tuareg music, echoing across the sands and inviting all to join in the celebration. Above, the dazzling clarity of the Milky Way paints the sky, offering a view of the cosmos rarely seen elsewhere. To wander Erg Chebi is to step into legend, where every sunrise brings a sense of wonder and timeless adventure. Here you can truly feel the ageless pulse of desert culture, alive in every drumbeat, dance, and story shared beneath the endless sky. At the foot of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, Colorado's great sand dunes form a striking contrast against alpine peaks. North America's tallest dunes rise nearly 230 meters, their golden flanks ever-changing under the vast sky. In spring, Medano Creek flows at the base, offering a rare chance to swim with dunes towering overhead. The great sand dunes invite play, challenge, and wonder, a testament to wild diversity. The Rub al Khali, known as the Empty Quarter, is the world's largest sand desert, stretching across Arabia. Endless dunes, some over 250 meters high, roll in hypnotic rhythm to the horizon. The Rub al Khali is a boundless wilderness, a testament to the power and patience of wind. On Brazil's northern coast, Lençóis Maranhenses is a spectacle of sweeping white dunes sculpted by Atlantic winds. After the rains, turquoise lagoons blossom between the dunes, forming an ephemeral oasis alive with life. Lençóis Maranhenses is a fleeting paradise, a reminder of nature's capacity for surprise. In southern New Mexico, White Sands is the world's largest gypsum dune field, a shimmering expanse of white. Gypsum crystals reflect sunlight, keeping the dunes cool even under the harshest sun. The landscape is luminous and ethereal, as if snow has fallen in the desert. White Sands is a testament to nature's inventiveness, a place where geology becomes poetry. On the edge of China's Gansu province, the Zhangye landforms rise in bands of crimson, ochre, and gold. These rainbow-hued hills, sculpted by eons of wind and rain, are flanked by striking dune systems. In Zhangye, geology and artistry are indistinguishable. The earth itself becomes a canvas. In Nambung National Park, Western Australia, the Pinnacles Desert is a surreal landscape where thousands of limestone pillars rise from golden sand. These spires, formed from ancient seashells, stand silent amid shifting dunes, creating a tableau both alien and beautiful. The Pinnacles Desert is nature's sculpture garden, shaped by time, wind, and sea. Nestled in the Peruvian desert, Huacachina is a true oasis, a crescent of emerald water surrounded by towering sand dunes. The dunes beckon sandboarders and thrill seekers, while the village bustles with life by day and quiets at dusk. Huacachina is a place where water, sand, and human spirit unite in celebration of the extraordinary. In Kazakhstan's Altin Emel National Park, the singing dunes rise, emitting a deep resonant hum when the grains slide down the slope. Scientists believe friction between quartz grains causes this desert symphony, but to locals, it's the breath of spirits. To climb the singing dunes and hear their voice is to witness nature's secret music. In the borderlands of Algeria and Tunisia, Erg Oriental sprawls, a vast sea of golden dunes, famed as a backdrop for the original Star Wars saga. Here, the wind sculpts the sand into ever-shifting waves, and nomadic tribes still traverse ancient trade routes. Beneath its shimmering surface lies a story as rich and boundless as the dunes themselves. On France's Atlantic coast, the Great Dune of Pila rises, a vast wind-blown ridge and Europe's highest dune. From the summit, the view is magnificent. Endless ocean on one side, a sea of emerald pines on the other. Here, the elements meet in perfect balance, a reminder that boundaries between land and water are as fluid as the sand. In India's northwest lies the Thar Desert, home to golden sand dunes that ripple outward from the legendary city of Jaisalmer. Camel safaris offer a window into traditional desert life, where travelers camp under star-studded skies. In the Thar, every grain of sand holds a secret. Every breeze carries the memory of ancient trade. In northern China, the Badain Jaran Desert is home to the tallest stationary dunes on the planet, some over 500 meters. Amid these sandy giants, more than 100 freshwater lakes glimmer like sapphires at the dunes' feet. Badain Jaran is a paradox, a place where the harshest desert shelters pockets of life. Stretching across central Australia, the Simpson Desert is a land of red sand ridges, over 1,000 parallel lines running for hundreds of kilometers. explorers cross the dunes by four-wheel drive or on foot, tracing routes once followed by Aboriginal peoples. The Simpson Desert is a realm of endurance and solitude, where beauty flourishes against the odds. The Namib Sand Sea, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is the beating heart of the world's oldest desert. Dunes shift and reform with every breath of the Atlantic, creating an ever-changing tapestry of form and color. To walk here is to witness life's tenacity. Even the most inhospitable places pulse with vitality. In the Gobi, the Conger and Els dunes stretch for 180 kilometers, famed for their singing voices. Nomadic families move with the seasons, their yurts nestled in green valleys between golden dunes. The Gobi's dunes are a testament to the resilience of people and wildlife in one of the world's harshest environments. Iran's Dashti Kavir is a land of contrasts. A great salt desert where sand dunes meet endless white crusts. The interplay of salt and sand creates patterns seen nowhere else. Glistening hexagons, rolling waves, and the occasional mirage.